Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be looking at this image together. We'll do a bit of deconstruct on how I came about this grading, and I know I promised to be more consistent, but I've been caught up with so many activities and all over the past few weeks, but now I'm back. I promise to give you guys more content as regards to color grading, but without wasting much of time, let us dive into deconstructing this image on how the grading came about. So this is what the image looks like. This picture has been converted to Rec 709, and what I did a bit of color correction. Let's just go into it. So from here, I did a bit of color correction and just to make image look well corrected. So when you grade, your grade can easily come up just the way you want it. So from there we move to these. Now here we worked with our contrast, pivots, and dynamic range, lift, gain, gamma, and the offsets just to balance the image out. So from there we moved to this. So from here we worked with our qualifiers just to make our image stand out. So we worked with our qualifiers in this regard. So from there we moved to this, and this has to do with so we're able to do a bit of a bit of color corrections too, and to make the skin looks more lively. So from there we move to this. We want our face to stand out, so we worked with our window for our face to stand out. So we're able to pull the face out. Let me put it on full screen for you to see. So can you see our face is standing out now? So we're able to bring our face out, and from there we just add a bit of pop to our image, which is this. So what we did here basically was just to work on the saturation. So I just popped it a bit just to make the image has a bit of color. And so basically that's everything about this grading. But subsequently I'll be doing live grading, whereby you guys will see the process from start to finish. But before we get to that, let's be enjoying this for now. And so if you like what you have seen, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel